Hi guys, we're just going to look at one more example from the notes from yesterday and the day before on clearing fractions. This is example 4, and this is where you have a fraction multiplying by parentheses. So when you see something like this, the fraction with the parentheses is all one term. I'm going to treat it as one term. So when we clear the fraction, we're going to look at the denominators. I have a 3 and a 5. I'm going to say to myself the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15, and I'm going to multiply every term by 15. When I do that, this whole circle that I circled in purple is one term. So I just multiply it once by 15, and then I multiply by 15 here and here for the other terms. So I'm going to cross cancel. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And I'm going to multiply. 5 times 2 is 10, and I'm going to bring down the parentheses like that. Okay, so the parentheses stay the same because it's all one term. I bring down the equal sign, I divide. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 3x is 9x. And then I multiply 15 times 12, which is going to give us 180. Okay, we're going to distribute. I have 10x minus 80 equals 9x plus 180. And we will subtract 9x on both sides. I have x minus 80 equals 180. Add 80 to both sides, and x equals 260. Okay, so this should help you work on some of those problems tonight that you have to finish up, where you have parentheses with a fraction on the outside. Again, treat it as one term. Okay, thanks. See you tomorrow. Bye.